Yes, you're on my reel, so watch and learn. Okay. My name is Jane from Abu Dhabi. Yes, 1 week na po tayo na walang work. Kaya, yan po. Wala po tayong magawa. Gagawa po tayo ng video. So, ngayon, I'm wearing makeup. Char. I'm using filter because I just woke up. I don't know how to do makeup, so I use filter, guys. So yesterday I go to the dentist to check my retainer. For today's video, I'm talking about my retainers. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano magsuot ng retainer. Okay. Yes, I go to the dentist because my whole retainer from my lower teeth, it's become tight. Now it's already fixed it. Okay, so I will show you how to put my retainer. Then yes, nagre-reels na po ako. Yes, this is my upper teeth of my retainer. Upper teeth retainer. Okay, yan, nagyayalo na po siya kasi lagi ko itong ginagamit pagkain ng biryani. Yes. So, let's try it. Ito, medyo comfortable ako suotin kasi lagi ko siya sinusuot. Yes, see? May pa. This is me when I have retainer. Okay, second one sa down part. Okay, may teeth siya kasi wala akong teeth sa baba. See? Pinabagyan ko siya ng teeth kay Doc sa dentist ko. So, I will be look more pretty. Like this. I will show you. Yes, ganito na po ako magsalita. Especially pag nag-duty ako before, like customer announcements, we would like to inform you, like that. Nahihirapan ako magsalita kasi nga yung dila ko parang ang daming what's that? What is that? Tooth decay. Yes, ganyan po. Yan lang po.